Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 Index Fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 Index Fund analysis, the DXY analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So, as you see here, that the SP500 was it giving us here. Also, we enter short because of here. People have been with us now for some time. Till here, till that level here, I tell you here, protect yourself. As you see it came here. Even in the last video, I tell you, protect yourself here. And now, today, we are going back upward, but I don't think so. It's going to back that much, maybe to here. Then after that, it's going to see it falling down. Why? It's going up all that much here. I'm going to show you why. Let's see it together. It's going back upwards, guys, because of that one. As you see it, the Wall Street gain and stronger Nike earning, because the Nike today, they came to them the earning, and it came very stronger, and easing inflation expectation. That means the inflation is going to ease a little bit, but that one also we said before. And as you see here, the key point, I don't want to read everything. As you see, those was the results here. Nike jump on stronger second quarter results. That meant the Nike they doing very good. FedEx sour cost plan. That one is very bad. And the consumer confident rebound in December, because I tell it to you yesterday. I tell you the consumer confident, but it's going to come the new home sales today. So you need to make a close eye at it. And it's a long story here. We don't want to read everything. Let's going back now to the chart to analyze for you more. So here in the chart, guys, now we're going back upward here. What the view? I think me personally, maybe it's going to fall down because there is no signal here indicating for us. Also, we need to enter long. Also here, we enter short here. I told you over here, protect yourself. At that level here, I told you, protect yourself. And the people that have been with us for some time, I tell you there to protect yourself. Now here, what the view? Me personally, I think is going to fall down more than that, because the home sales for the housing sectors in the USA, till now they haven't found a solution for it, and the Fed, they will still tightening more. So that one is very bad, guys, because the Fed doesn't look at the inflation data. The Fed is focused about the home sales or the housing sectors in USA. Still is going to go back, so that one is going to fall more, guys. Not the view, personally, that's what my view, but it's up to you, guys. You enter short with us here. Over here, you protect yourself. You got a stop lose now. Now over here, even if it go back in the place where you enter, you are not losing nothing. And over here, you take it off your money. And here, you let just the profit to run. And believe me, it's going to fall down more than that. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying, let's see it together. Our indicator, as you see it, also we enter because we used to be here at the overbought area. Now it came here. Is it near to the oversold? But not yet. It doesn't become bread. So, pause. We said we're going to close till it's going to enter here to the oversold area. So we need to wait. Till it's going to enter there. We're going to close everything, guys. Till now, we need to wait in a little bit. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. By the way, you are not yet subscribed, my friend. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day putting for you 2 videos every day. 2 videos, one after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified every time when us we put in a video. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going, guys, to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. The Nasdaq 100 is the same thing, guys. Nothing was changed. Also, we enter short because of here. We used to have here a triangle like that. When it's breaking here, we enter short. It came down till here. In the last video we been here, I told you guys, protect yourself here. Now it's showing going upward a little bit, but the view still the same. It's still falling down, guys. And me, I'll show you something else here. We do it like that. People have been with us for some time now. We do in here. We got here a wage like that. When it's breaking here, I told you it's going to fall down till here, and I told you here in that peak of that one we need to take some of the profit, and that's what's happening, guys. As you see it over here, we'll have you take some of the profit here. Now even that going up today, it's still very, very, very early, guys. The market will fall down more, and I'm going to show you some news. Let me show it to you. So the first news is that one, guys. That one, that Tesla, they got a big problem. Stock of them, they're falling down for the quarter, or I don't know what's going to happen to them. So people, they trading cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. You know that Elon Musk, every time when the Tesla or the company of him it's falling, he go and he taking off the Bitcoin and he sell it to backing up his company. So the same thing is going to happen here. And another news is very, very, very important. Let me show it to you. Is it that one, guys? Amazon is the first company to lose 1 trillion in the market value. You know what that means or no? Amazon, they're losing $1 trillion as market value. That's huge, guys. And all that because people are still scared of recession, a lot of things. I don't want to read the whole topic. As you see it is here. That's something very, very, very bad, guys. But the Fed doesn't say all that. The Fed is going against all those things, guys. And it's not only Amazon, a lot of other companies. I think you get the picture a little bit. That way maybe I told you it's not yet. It's still a little bit early for us thinking of to enter long for stocks. Let's going back now to the chart, guys, to analyze for you more. So here, guys, what the view, as I told you, it's going maybe to make a correction like that to here again, to that level here. Then after that, you're going to fall down again because the market, as I tell it to you before, it doesn't falling down like that straight. The market is working by waves, guys, like that. So you need always to do that in your brain and to try to build on it. And here in our indicator, guys, what we got here in our indicator, guys, as you see it, we started entering here to the oversold area. So people, they enter, try to protect yourself now, sell something or move the stop loss depending which broker you're using, because depending the type of broker you're using. So try to protect yourself a little bit. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. The DXY, guys, for US dollar, that one, what else we said, we make it like that. We said we got here a down channel like that. If it doesn't being broken up, we are not going to enter. Until now, it doesn't being broken, guys. As you see it, it doesn't being broken up or here. So it's still very, 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 very early for us to thinking of to enter. Yes, look here. I'm going to show you something very, very, very nice here. Look here. You forget about the past here. The one here, forget about it. Just focus it with me here. Look here what used to happen. A low is go back up, give you here a high. It falling down, it give you another low. Go up, it falling down, it give you here another low. So if you focus it here, look here at that place here, that one low, low, and here low. But this time it go up, give us here a high, but couldn't give us here another low, guys. Why? Actually, there is no power to push more down, guys. It couldn't break that low here. Now what should us we do now? You focus it with me, that the place where me I'm talking about, here and here and here. Now if it give us here like that, a double bottom like that, or a W, and it came and break in here, that is going to indicating for us to enter long, guys. Yes or no? Because till now what it's showing here, it give you a low, but here the market or the bears, they don't got that power to push it down to give you another low. Yes or no? That is indicating the trend is going to change. That the first signal, the trend is going to change. Second signal, what is it? You need a price action. The price action, look with me here, here, and here. If it give you here a W like that, and breaking here the top here, that 100% the downtrend will be in here, is going to change to an uptrend, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see in our indicators what they're saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also is still here at the oversold area. There is nothing new here. And I show you got here a down channel like that, like that. So us now we will waiting if it's getting broke or it's going to give us here a double bottom like that and it's going to break it. All those ones, they are signals for us to enter long. But till now there is nothing happening, guys. So people, they trading Forex, like if you trade in the Euro USD, where is the Euro? Is the first pair, it's the Euro. Yes or no? Because I know some people, they don't know those things. The second pair, what is it? Is USD or US dollar, like that. So you, if you buy in the Euro and you sell in the USD, like let's say you just, for doesn't confuse you a little bit, you make a buy order. What you believe in here? You believe in the euro is going to go higher and the US dollar is going to fall down. Yes or no? Because you buying. Yes or no? So now, if that one breaking here in that place, what you need to do to enter here in the euro USD, to enter a short position, that meant to enter a sell. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin doing today for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin people, they've been with me for some time. Also, we enter short because we used to have here that up channel here. When it's breaking here, we enter short. We came here. I told you guys over here, sell a little bit or sell what it equal your investment. It came upward here to that place. It's going to fall down, but not that much. There is no big falling all that month, guys, till the end of the month, because me I show you everything and I told you everything. I show you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. I told you we got 2 levels and people of the options, because by the way that video I show it every Friday. We making the analysis of the option, what people, where is the post, where is the strikes, and what the view for the people for all the week. So like that you're going to have a very clear picture about all the week where the Bitcoin is going to go. Also, we said people, they believe in the Bitcoin is going to stay here sideways. And that's what it's looking, guys. As you see it, we fall down, we're going back. Maybe it's going to fall down to touch here. But also, we're still in a downtrend, guys, here in the 4 hours. So make a close eye at it. There is no changing from downtrend to uptrend. And here, I'll show you even here. We got here that head and shoulder here, as you see it. Now, the market here is trying to give us here a price action, but not clear yet. We need to wait in a little bit. And what I told you here, I told you in the last video, I told you we have here like a small price action like that. I told you like that, but till now that price action, that one is not 100% clear. Instead, I found for you another price action. Let me show it to you. The another price action, guys, I found is that one. Look at it. You came, you make it like that and like that. As you see it, you got here a triangle, guys. Now, if the Bitcoin came and breaking upward here, you can enter long, and if it can break and break down, you can enter short that one, but that one for long term. For short term, maybe it's going to give us here a small price action. Let's wait in the coming days, guys. I think picture is too clear. By the way, I know you are subscribers. Smash the like button, my friend. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now it's going to see our indicators, what they're saying today, guys. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also here, we're taking profit for that long we used to have. It came down here. We're taking some of the profit. Now it came to that wall. The last video we've been here in that wall, and I told you over here there is no one controlling. No bulls, no bears. But now what's it showing, guys? If you see in here with me, it's enter here to the place where is the bears they controlling. That's what I'm telling you. I told you also we're still in a downtrend, guys. Now you can even connect in those dots like that, those ones, but not yet. It's still a little bit early. It's need that one to give us another peak for us to make in those dots. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So here, what the view, I tell it to you before. Maybe we are going to fall down more, guys. That just analysis, guys. Or maybe from here it's going to go higher. Also now we're freeing our capital. By the way, to learn that money management, me I'm talking every time, is it down in the first comment. In our crypto investing course, you're going to learn that money management me I'm talking about. It's going to teach you a lot of things. Believe me, that course is better than a million of courses. And by the way, if you're using the coupon link down, it will not cost you that much. It's only 13 bucks. 13 bucks is the price of a cup of coffee. So it's up to you. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, we've been here at the oversold area. Now here in the chart, it's showing it's going to fall down, but not yet. You can even make a now like that, a wedge like that, a small or an inverted wedge. If it's getting broken up, you can enter long, but you need to wait in a little bit. So I think everything is too clear because a level, you are in a very stronger level, guys. As you see it, it touch here, then it's reversing upward here. So now either you waiting that one to break upward or it's going to fall down again. If it's breaking upward, you just came like that. You draw in here, as you see it, what I draw there. Let me zoom it a little bit. As you see, guys, you came to that dot, that one and that one. And you try to connect in them like that, and you came here and you do it like that. So you got here, guys, an inverted triangle. So if that one came and breaking upward here, you enter long. Remember that if it's breaking upward here, you enter long. If it came down to here, there is no entry short because also we have here an entry short. We enter from here, and if it's breaking upward here, you close everything. Don't still holding that short position. Over here, you take profit, and here that extra profit you take it. Remember that. I think picture is too clear, guys. So now if it came and break in here, look at it how I draw it. Like that and like that. If it came and breaking upward here, you enter long. If it came down here, there is no entry short. And if it's breaking here upward, you close in even that short position you have. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Also, we used to have here that triangle, and I'll show it to you even in now in the 4 hours. Like that, guys. I told you if it came and breaking upward here, you enter long, there is no break. And if it came and breaking down, you enter short. But here in 30 minutes, guys, now you can focus only about here. Because here, you got here like a small price action here. If it's breaking down the 200, enter short. Why? I'm going to show you why. Let's see our indicators. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, will be in here at the overbought area. So now, if it's breaking down the 200 moving average, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.